Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Narzo 80x won't send MMS messages. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After that, scroll down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. After turn on your mobile data, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data of messages app. After the clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.